So how long does SEO take to rank? Soyan Ahmed, professional SEO and backlink expert at Rank Marketers, seems that it can take from few weeks to few months, and it depends on three factors only. I can barely agree because factors are not three. There are a lot more. How long does SEO take to rank? SEO, or search engine optimization, is a process of improving the visibility of ranking of a website or a web page in a search engine result page. SERP, call them SERP. The higher a website or a web page is in such result page, it is more likely to be visited by users. First of all, I'd like to divide all these measures to three main groups. It's on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Sayan Ahmed, so he says that it depends on competitiveness of your keyword or keywords you're being targeted to, the uniqueness, the quality of your content, and the third one is how much efforts being put into the SEO campaign. It is really a secret factor that an expert can tell. Okay, so yeah, sure, the competitiveness of keywords or keyword here being targeted is extremely important. It's also important of how old your domain is, that it has any history. Is this history good or bad? Does your domain has good ranks and good rankings? Does it have backlink profile? Is there a keyword in your domain? And a lot of more. The keyword difficulty, keyword competitiveness is an extremely important factor on how long SEO can take to rank your website. And even having domain with no history or almost no history, even brand new, nevertheless you can compete for low competitiveness keywords, and I'll show you how in the end of the video. I'll show you my project, one of my last projects. When I came to the project, I helped them to gain a lot of organic traffic, and even when I left the project, it was growing just by inertia, but then it fell down because lack of how he said, lack of efforts on SEO campaign. So first of all, keywords, its competitiveness and volume, search volume. The second factor, of course, is content. Content should be unique, should be perfect. It should really resolve users' problems. If the user is searching an answer to the question, your content should have answers. If Googling for calculator or any tool, give them this tool. And your content should be well optimized for search engines. Search engine is not a real human. It's just a bot who's searching your page, and you can communicate with these bots only with HTML tags that you're tagging your website pages with. Don't forget to use all media information. Okay, so use all measures you can. Use all tags you can. Don't forget about hreflang, canonical, and so on. It's also extremely important for bots because they're not real human. They'll keep this in mind. So your content should be full, unique, and well optimized. So your off-page search optimization includes your domain rating. Your domain rating is designed by your backlink profile. When you get your first organic visitors, try to invest some time, even not money, just some time for creating your backlink profile. It looks organic, it looks native for Google bots, and you'll succeed. And technical SEO, of course, just take any tool of huge variation of crawling SEO tools like Screaming Frog, SEMrush, Ahrefs.com. They all have these crawling tools. You can check your website for any possible SEO, technical SEO errors. This is also extremely important. So let's go see my project. Okay guys, so this is one of my past projects. So I started working on this project 2022. Yeah, in May I was already working. You can see it's in March average organic traffic is 0. There will be this project had no ratings, had no history, had no backlink profile. He has a lot of content, but this content was poorly optimized, and the content was targeting to highly competitive keywords. So that's why it is extremely important to understand where you are at the moment, where what your domain is able to do and what it's not. Don't be too positive, don't be too negative, just be realistic. And starting with April 2022, we were growing. You see this red line is line of organic pages. This means pages that generate organic traffic for your website. The orange graph is organic traffic monthly. So it was 0 in the March, April, and April start showing something. The number of organic pages and organic traffic is increasing month by month, day by day, week by week. It was growing, and in September of 2022 I had to leave that project, and it was growing for some time, but you see no more growing of organic pages. Finally, the project reached almost 40,000 of visitors monthly for free. The cost per click in this niche can reach even 80, 90, and even $100. You also can see the reference domains. They, for years, maybe for more than a year, the owner with their marketers, they tried to create content to compete for high competitive keywords. They could not what to do, so because they could not compete for them. And they tried to create some backlinks. You see hundreds of reference domains, then even 300-400. But when we came here, it was growing organically. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next video will be about the full checklist of on-page SEO for your website. Thank you for watching and see you soon.